Been about a month since my last video. I thought I was going to have a lot more time during the break to work on it, but it didn't turn out that way. Anyways, as of the 27th, I've had the car 5 months. Starting to feel like a slacker. So let me turn the camera around now. Show you guys where we're at today. Where are we at today? Well, we've got the rear end in. I've updated the drums with all new hardware. We've run new lines. That bracket you see there had to fabricate because of the 3-link. The flex line didn't reach. Got the new tank in place. Had to get a little creative. That's why there's rope there. And there's the rear end, and you can see the new lines back there. Here's the other side. All new drums. And here's the front end. It's entirely together. I haven't hooked up the tie rod in because I wanted to get it kind of close to somewhat of an alignment as I could. So my next step is to start putting all these foot boxes together, rivet them in place so I can install the master cylinder and booster you see here. Oh, I went a different direction with the intake. I decided to go with a single plane EFI and an elbow. I thought it would look cleaner. And got my heads back from the machine shop. And this, I don't want to tear the bag open, but they're in that bag there. And I've started disassembly of the engine, which is under here, and probably going to take the short block to the machine shop here pretty soon. And that's it. That's all I've done lately. Though I have gotten ahead a little. We'll get there eventually.